Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade Home. I'm Hester. And this is Kiki. Let's say hi.
Hi.
Hi. And today I thought, let's do a little project you can do with your little ones to keep them entertained now you're stuck indoors. So I went to our recycling and I found a juice carton, and we're gonna turn this into, yeah, we're gonna paint. And we're gonna turn this into a bird feeder because little Kiki loves watching birds. But first of all, I'm gonna protect the table with a sheet of plastic, and we're gonna take your pretty cardigan off and put you in a long sleeve bib, right? You don't want paint everywhere. Kiki, you ready to paint?
Yeah.
Good stuff. I like using old egg cartons to put the paint in. Slightly less messy with a toddler. I am imagining this is going to end up brown because Kiki likes matching all her paints together. But let's just try and go for something colourful. Go! So you're going to start by painting the whole juice box. Kiki here has only just turned 2, but she loves painting. Don't expect anything to look amazing when you work with when you craft with a toddler. Just enjoy the fun process.
Uh-oh.
Put it on there.
That's all.
So we're going to let masterpiece dry and tidy up. So the paint is dry, Kiki is napping, so I'm just going to finish the feeder. You're going to cut an opening on one of the sides, sort of around that size, so you can put the food in. And then you're going to cut it out. I'm just using a craft knife for that. Just realised the paint's flaking off a little bit, so maybe kiddie paints aren't the best for painting this. I assume you can use a chalk paint or a normal acrylic paint on this. Anyway, let's continue. You also have to make a little hole to put a little stick in, because you want the bird to sit on a little stick when it feeds. And stick in. Gonna make a fun roof. So what you're gonna do, out of a piece of cardboard that's the same width as your carton, you're gonna cut little scallops. And they will become the roof tiles. Starting at the bottom, just put a bit of glue on there. Stick on your first a bit of roof. And then you're just gonna layer. Do the same on the other side, but just take the lid off. Slightly need to finish, you can also cut the lid out. Just with your craft knife, follow the lid. I'm also gonna cover this little top. You don't need to, it looks a bit neater. Just gonna put a teeny bit of tape in here while it dries, the glue. Now we're gonna punch a hole here so we can hang it. I can't seem to be able to get my punch hole over it, so I'm just gonna use my craft knife. Just be careful, but just do a little hole in the middle. And push a piece of string or wool through your hole. There we go. I think the birdhouse could do a teeny bit more decorating, but with Kiki asleep I'm just going to do it. Otherwise you can have your child put stickers on it, or draw on it with a Sharpie, or maybe you want to do some decoupage and cut some other piece of paper on to glue it on. But yeah, just do something fun. So I sort of guessed how Kiki would decorate it, which normally means just sticking lots of stickers on. So got some stickers, got some little birdie stickers, and a little froggy, and some sparkly ones. So now we just need to fill up a bird seed, which unfortunately I don't have, and as I can't go outside to buy it, I'm just gonna fill it with bits of leftover toast from breakfast. to wait for the bags to arrive. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and have a look at all the other videos here on the Handmade Home channel. There's loads of inspiration of things for you to make while you're stuck indoors. I'll be back soon with a new video and I really hope to see you then.